Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Jay and I'm a first generation Jamaican nurse, and I am on a journey to wellness and self-discovery through travel. This channel is all about supporting optimal health for your mind, body, and soul while exploring life's limitless possibilities. Whether it's through wellness tips, travel adventures, or cultural experiences, I'm here to help you live your best life. So, let's go on this journey. If you're new here, I am so glad you found me. Today we are going over something near and dear to my heart, which is Jamaican citizenship by descent. If you have Jamaican parents or grandparents, or just looking to connect back with your heritage, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can feel confident and clear on your journey to getting citizenship. I do want to share that I did complete my citizenship process in Jamaica, but if you do live abroad, that's totally fine. You have options, so we'll go right through that. So I have my notes here, and I'm going to walk you through the process of the things that you need to get this process done. So first you're going to need original documents, and those original documents that you'll need are your Jamaican parent or grandparent's birth certificate. You'll also need their citizenship certificate if that's applicable to you. You'll need your birth certificate, and you'll need your passport. So whatever country you're coming from, you're going to need your passport. So once you have all these original documents together, you're going in the right direction. So what you will need next is to get the application. You can either get that from the Jamaican consulate in your country, or you can also get it from the Ministry of National Security, and the application is online. It's very simple to complete. It's straightforward. Just make sure that you're filling everything out accurately. Now, here are some personal tips from my journey that I made a few notes on that will probably help you with yours. When you are filling out your paperwork, make sure that you're filling out everything accurately. Also, check your parents' documents, check your documents, that all of the names are exactly the same. So, for example, if your parents or your mother or grandmother got married and her maiden name is different on her documents, that can be an issue. So you want to make sure that everything is clear and concise so you don't have any delays in your process. If you are applying for your citizenship in Jamaica, I highly recommend taking your photos in Jamaica. They have very specific requirements that you have to follow, and most of the photo studios in Jamaica understand and know that, and you don't want to take pictures in your home country, bring them down there, and then they are not accepted. So I would recommend taking them in Jamaica. In addition to the photos, you do have to get these pictures certified, and that means you have to have one of the licensed professionals that is listed on the application to write on the back of your photo and say that they certify that this is a true copy of your name. Also sign and stamp it. Also include the date with this too. Make sure that when they do sign the back of your photo, that it's not one of the gel pens or ink pen or something that smears, because if the photo is smeared, like the verbiage on it on the back is smeared, they're not gonna take it. So make sure that the writing on the back of your photo does not get smudged. So again, I completed my application in Jamaica, but once you're done with all these requirements, you will submit that to either the Jamaican consulate or take it down to the citizenship office and submit it. Processing time can vary. I've heard several different things as far as returning it to the consulate. Some people say it takes a year. I don't know. That wasn't really my experience. However, my processing time was about a month, give or take. I don't know what it is now, but that's how mine was. To apply for this, the cost is 10,000 Jamaican dollars, and you must use Jamaican dollars to pay for it if you're applying down there, which is about 65 US dollars. And if you expedite it, it's about 15,000 Jamaican dollars, so that's around 100 US dollars. If you are applying abroad, then this will be 100 US dollars. I truly hope that this video helped you on your journey to obtaining Jamaican citizenship by descent. If you have done the process already, please comment below and let me know how your process was. Was it long? Was it short? Like, what was it like for you? Regardless if you're applying in Jamaica or from abroad, you are on your path to being a citizen. Whoop, 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 whoop. But anyways, I'm so excited for you. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and subscribe. This channel is all about the self-care, your soul, and your wellness. And then we're going to travel the world. So let's go. We need this passport so we can go. But I'm so excited to start this journey with you. I'm so happy that you're here. And God bless you, and always stay true to you. Talk to you later.